Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of DIY craftsmanship as we create 4 stunning burnt wood epoxy coasters. To begin, I use a blowtorch to burn each bit of wood. I mixed up some epoxy off-screen, preparing it for our project. Once the epoxy was ready, it was time to pour it over the 4 burned bits of wood. Carefully, I poured the epoxy over the wood, ensuring that each piece was coated evenly. Any bubbles that formed were quickly eliminated using a blowtorch, resulting in a smooth and flawless surface. Take a closer look at these coasters. The combination of burnt wood and crystal clear epoxy creates a mesmerizing effect that is sure to impress. After letting the coasters rest overnight, it was time to enhance their durability. I gently sanded each coaster, creating a key that would allow the next coat of epoxy to adhere seamlessly. Once again, I mixed up a fresh batch of epoxy. Poured it over the coasters. This time, my focus was on spreading the epoxy evenly, ensuring that every corner was covered beautifully. With patience, I allowed the coasters to dry completely. It's important to give them ample time to cure. Finally, it was time to add that perfect finishing touch. I polished each coaster using a high-quality polishing compound, enhancing their shine and bringing out their natural beauty. And just like that, our 4 stunning burnt wood epoxy coasters are complete. Their unique blend of rustic charm and modern elegance will make a statement in any space. They truly make for a cohesive and eye-catching set. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on making burnt wood epoxy coasters. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring projects. Until next time. Let's take a moment to admire how these coasters perfectly complement the matching epoxy table I made in a previous video.